You'll have love at first sight with the 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Picture yourself at the wheel of this comfortable and capable Pathfinder. Solid, versatile, and smooth, it has all the features you need to make road trips, towing, and household projects a breeze. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power passenger seat, remote engine start, heated rear seat, premium sound system. Capability intersects with comfort in this well-equipped Pathfinder. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.